Hi friends, welcome back to Maldivian food YouTube channel. Today I am going to prepare Masmirus recipe. For this recipe I am using 3 kg onion and 1 kg dried fish and also 3 cup dried chili like this. So these are ready. Now I will also use Ajinomoto, only 2 teaspoons. You can skip it if you want. And garlic, 350 gram garlic. I didn't measure curry leaves. You can increase or decrease it. Now time to fry onion. Remember to add some salts when frying onion. It's done now. I'll keep it aside. After that, now time to fry garlic. It's almost done. Now time to fry curry leaves and pandan leaves. Almost 1 pandan leaf, and that's all. Now I added almost half cup of oil, and into that I'm adding chili and also mummy noodles soup packet, only 3 packet. After that I added 2 teaspoon of Ajinomoto. Again you can skip it if you want. Now time to add fish, mix it and leave it on low flame. After that I mixed all ingredients together like garlic and onion and leaves. It's mixed. Now I divide into 2 parts because the pot is small. I need a larger one, but I don't have, so I'm like preparing it in 2 places. Now time to add onion, garlic and leaves to the chili and fish, and I kept it almost 25 to 30 minutes on low flame and kept mixing it and check if this is crunchy. It means this is done. So now it is done. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.